Hi there, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name is McKenna, and this is Kenna's channel. Here we discuss about online business and business ideas that you can start. On today's video, I wanted to talk about it is a class. I was trying to teach a class live, but that did not happen. I don't know why. I think it's a long process. I tried StreamYard and told me that I have to wait for around 24 to 72 hours to get approved. And I was hoping to do the live today. I can't do it on my phone. I can't do it on my laptop. It's a bit dark and I have only one source of light, that is this side. This side is just natural light. And so today I was trying to teach, I'm not a teacher, but I was trying to teach how to start your online freelancing career. This is freelancing writing for beginners. I did writing and I'm still writing for the last, I've been in the industry for around 4 to 5 years. I took a break this year to focus on other things, but writing is passion. It's one of the things that make me happy. So if you see me looking this way, I'm looking at my computer because it's an ebook that I've written. The ebook goes for around 200. If you're watching this, I'll give you 200, but normally goes for around 300 to 400. I wrote it at some time ago, around early this year, and yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to teach you on anything to do with writing. If you want to start writing and really want to start writing and you have no idea what is online writing or freelance writing or content writing, it's just one of the same thing, I think you should tune in. On the first page of the ebook, just introduces you to what is writing and something that goes like, so you want to be a freelance writing, and then I tell you like something like, huh? If you're interested in learning how to start your online writing career and earn an extra income, this ebook is for you. So if you don't know where to start, please get this ebook. I'm self-promoting myself. I'm going to teach you everything to do with online writing, that is freelance writing. So let's get started. I hope my mouse won't fail me. So what you need to have, the first thing that you just need a few items. For example, you will need a laptop. You need a laptop to start writing, right? You can't start writing using your phone. I know there are some phones that have big screen, but if you want to write comfortably, use a laptop. A good laptop goes for around 10k, that is Kenyan shillings. Then you need internet. You need fast and reliable internet or stable internet. You also need an email address. This will serve as a day-to-day communication channel, and also need a PayPal account in case you are dealing with clients from out of the country. You also need a bank account for easy transfer of money from to your PayPal account. Also Skype address, but these days I don't think if Skype address is really necessary. Then you need a proper working station. You need a good chair, a chair like this, or somewhere you will feel comfortable when you start writing. Then on the next, I hope this must not fail. Then on the next pages, I introduce you to what is article writing, what the writing task, types of article writing, titles and headlines, how to tackle them, types of titles, plus, okay, how to hyperlink, writing style, voice and tone. Then we are going to discuss a bit of grammar mistakes, plus plagiarism. I don't know how that word is pronounced. If I've pronounced really well, give me a thumbs up. Plus writing tips. Then you're going to the writer's corner, where I'm going to talk about how to build your portfolio, the art of pitching, how to tackle writer's block plus procrastination. Then I'm going to give you a few tips here and there at the end of the ebook. So, introduction to an article, that is chapter 1. An article is just a piece of writing that you see in various publications like magazine, blogs, websites, or journal. It can be written for a small audience. It can also be written for a wide audience or a particular audience. That means like a niche. If you're a person, what can I say? Like gardeners can look at particular blogs that talk about gardening. So, what are the objectives of writing? To provide information, for entertainment, to narrate, to advise, and to give opinion, and so on and so on. And then we go to article structure. There are 4 parts of article writing. That is title, and then there's introduction, there's body, and there's conclusion. Title, you're going to talk about title later on in the chapter. On introduction, this is the second thing that you see after the title. It's just a small paragraph that introduces the rest of the article. The introduction should be eye-catchy and should grab attention. Let me drink water. For example, in this ebook, I've extracted a small piece of introduction, so you can see how an introduction goes. um like, for example, in gardening, do you love plants but find that gardening stresses you out? Question mark. Do you cringe every time that someone hands you a plant and tell them you are sure to kill it within a week, quote unquote? Then, do you envy the green thumbs of neighbors, friends, and relatives while struggling to keep even one house plant to yourself? You see, just a few lines to introduce the rest of the article. Then we go to the body. The body is the main part. It consists of several paragraphs that talks about the article. So it carries the content, and the body explains the title of the article. It consists of several paragraphs, as I said. For short form articles, each paragraph has 3 to 5 sentences. There are short form articles and there are long form articles. Short form articles are the ones that are between 300 to 500, and long form articles are those that are beyond, let's say, 1000, 2000, and beyond. The body of an article unifies and supports the content. Examples are later discussed in this ebook. Get this ebook. It has everything that you need to start to learn about content writing. Sorry about the quality of the camera. Today I decided to use the front camera, not the back camera of the phone. Then after the body, we go to the conclusion. The conclusion is the last paragraph of an article. So it gives a definite opinion, a positive statement that agrees with the headline. Then, I don't know why I'm talking with my hands a lot. And also calls a call to action should contain new ideas made of 1 to 5 sentences. Again, I've put an example from a particular link. You can check it out. Take your time and shop around for a good deal. They may not always be easy to find, but they are out there waiting for you. Once you are on that plane, all the hard work and planning will be completely worth it, and happy vacationing. That's a conclusion that has around 1 to 5 sentences that summarizes the article. Then on the next chapter, we talk about writing task. You're given a particular task. What do you start doing? You start by planning. You have to organize your ideas carefully. Then you have to know who are your readers. And then where is the article intended to be published. So for me, what I was doing, I was having a particular book. Let me show you. Yeah, search book. I could write the topic, how many words, that are needed, how many keywords that are needed, and introduction, how many words would be needed, then the paragraphs of what I'm supposed to talk about. Then I just, when I write my introduction, I tick. If I have written one keyword, I tick or I cancel. That's how I was coping up when I was writing. Then the writing, then you start writing. If you have collected your ideas, start writing. Then after you've finished writing, start editing. Editing is where you check your spelling, you check your grammar, punctuation before reviewing. You can use editing tools like Grammarly to help you edit. Then you go to reviewing. After the final edit, proofread your work to ensure it's up to standard. Then on chapter 3, I'll talk about types of article writing. How many types of article writing do you know? For example, we have SEO articles. These are well-written SEO posts improves their content in search engine ranking. These are articles that have that answer question, yeah, like how to, where to, such stuff. Also, I have also what have I done here? Given an example, a link that can direct you to an SEO article. Then there's listing. Listing, just there are simple articles. Like for example, you can have like 75 things to do, 5 things to do, 6, something like that. Readers can easily scan and analyze. They have an introduction and a conclusion, and in between the body is numbered according to the list that you want to. Then we have talked about long form articles. These are well detailed, explained on a particular subject. The length format exits 2000, but I believe it exits around 1000 words. Here, then they include ebooks, case studies, white papers, pillar posts. Then there's short form. This just takes less than 5 minutes to read and are specific for a certain audience, and they mainly feature in magazine. I've put a link in that ebook. Please get that ebook. How to articles, they're the same as SEO articles. I believe so. They're the most searched. They are clear and they explain ways, tips, and step by step on how to do something. Then there's copywriting. This is a piece of writing that calls the reader to take a particular action, like signing up, clicking, or donating. They're mostly used as ad copies. Then there's web content. This is the same as SEO writing. They write content on landing pages, contact pages, the home page, and about us page on a particular website. Then there's blogging. I love blogging. Have you checked my website? I talk about traveling and fashion. Anyway, then there's argumentative. These articles are not, they're somehow emotionally based, but the writer sticks to one point of view. To be fair, the writer touches on the other side of view, showing why the argument is inferior to what is supported. Again, have inserted a link where you can follow. Then there's technical writing. This is talking about sciences, um, technical stuff, tech products, tech features, building a tech product, and others. I also included a link. Please get this ebook. Just going for $2. $2. If you say Lynette referred you, or is it Kenna referred you, yeah, you're getting this for $2. Then reviews. Reviews are the most simplest. You can do movie reviews, product reviews, book reviews, plus restaurant reviews. I've inserted some links here that you can follow. Reviews are just a summary, insights, or detailed description of a particular item or place. Then there's news articles. This mostly features in magazines, newspapers. And then there's essays, there's trending articles. They show what is going on in the world or is going in the popular world, especially celebrity news. Then the other types of writing is script writing, social media writing, tech writing, ghost writing, brand journalists, ebooks, and customer success stories. Yes, you can write reviews using different names of customers for a particular client in a particular brand. Then the next thing is title. I hope I don't want to take a lot of time in using this, making this video. A minimum, it's a minimum of 30 minutes. I have 15 minutes to go. I hope the space won't fill up. I'm talking too much. Let's continue here. So we're going to talk about titles. Title should be eye-catchy and attractive, and should consist of around 15 words or less. Then should be easy to read. Then you're going to talk about title capitalization. The ebook talks about title capitalization. Always capitalize the first word in the title. Let's say statistics show white supremacy. The statistics S is in capital. Then the last word in the title should be also in capital. Then also capitalize important words. Important words will include adjective, adverbs, nouns, pronouns, subordinating conjunctions. I know this is high school English. Go back to your books and look at what all this stuff you're talking about. With less conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions with less than 5 letters. Capitalize the first word of each word. Then use punctuation marks. A colon can be used to separate two ideas. For example, 17 ways to earn a living. Then a colon. A colon is that has like two full stops, one on top and another one on the bottom. Then the ultimate guide. I use the question mark, can be used in question titles. Like for example, are you ready for a relationship? Then you can say, you can use a hyphen, can be used to separate an idea. A beggar enters a shop, hyphen, leaves a billionaire. A hyphen is like a dash. Then types of titles. There are how-to titles, like how to be successful in business. There are titles like identify and solve a problem titles, like 6 food immune boosters, or how to be productive at work, or a statement headline, which can be the ultimate travel guide, 1,000 ways to start a business. Then there is a question as a title, why do you oversleep? Then the next one is the A-list title. Dash ways to get noticed at work, 5 days, top 10 marketing strategies, such A-list title. Then there's the clickbait titles. Teenage girls fat shamed in school gym. What happened next will shock you. Will shock you. Those ones. Those ones are the ones that are clickbaiting titles. Then there's the description titles. The heavenly hidden game of Hulu Island. Then there is provocative titles. Is education necessary in today's generation? Or summarize a topic. Lemons are a cure to all diseases. Let's take a break. How do you like my makeup? Have a new hairstyle. Masai Shanga. So one of the thing is, take your time when creating a blog post title, because you want the traffic to come to your blog. Then the headlines. Headlines, you're going to, this one are particularly found in the Word, Microsoft Word. So there's the H1, which can serve as main heading, then H2 as subheading, then H3 as subheading. All these, I've given out an example in here. Please go and check it out. Please buy this ebook. It will help you. I've given out an example. I can't edit how screen recording it. Yeah, I can't screen record it because just you know what I'm saying. Then I'll show you how to hyperlink. Hyperlinking is the act of converting phrases or words into a hyperlink. For example, if you go to a web or a blog post, you're going to see some blue highlighted words. When you click to that blue highlighted words,